Today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated morning skincare routine plus a get ready with me combo. Okay, so first, let me just make sure my hair is off of my face. Okay, and I like using my face PIXIE sonic cleansing tool plus my face PIXIE facial wash. So just 2 pumps, make that 3. Apply it on damp skin. Alright, so the sonic cleansing action, or the micropulses, helps loosen out all this deep-seated dirt. So after drying my face, I like using my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. So this is like a morning refresher and it's a good face mist. So after that, I like using this Clinique Moisture Surge. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. And then I like using my face PIXIE Beauty Tool in moisture mode just to make sure that everything is absorbed by my skin more efficiently. After which, I go back to my Clinique Moisture Surge and get a little bit and apply it around my eye. I don't use a separate eye cream anymore. And I love that this is lightweight. And then I use the cool mode of face PIXIE just to depuff my under eye. Okay, now that is done. I like using my face PIXIE Glow Getter Ampule. And then use the moisture mode. So my skin is prepped, it's time for makeup. First, I'm going to be using my Biore UV Care Face Milk. And then I'm putting the remaining on the top part of my hand. Next, it's time for foundation. So I like using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. 1 pump, just a small pea-sized pump. Don't forget your neck. Next is concealer. And I like setting it with a powder, just to make sure that the concealer stays in place. Right now I'm using Infallible by L'Oreal, and I'm about to get rid of this because it's almost empty. After that, it's time for highlight. So I'm using MAC's Aladdin highlighter at the topmost part of my cheeks and onto my brow bone. So it's time to work on my brows. Right now I'm using the Sigma Dark Brow Powder. So I'm just filling in all the gaps. Although I like using a closer mirror to work it. Alright, and it's now time for my blush. Right now I'm using BLK's Contour Face Palette. And finally, for the lips, I like using or prepping it first with my favorite lip balm. Right now I'm using NYX. Or, since I'm going out, I'm using also L'Oreal SPF 30. Just to give my lips some kind of protection. And my favorite go-to daily lipstick is ColourPop's Still Crazy. I like it because it's moisturizing. I normally veer away from matte lipsticks. And then I top it off with my favorite Dior lip shimmer. So I just tap it on the middle of my lips. Squeeze them together. And that's it. So this is my go-to everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!